Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to stream 4K videos without any buffering. So by default, Android may not have the network throttling in the background. So in developer option, you need to go ahead and turn this on. So let me show you how you can basically watch 4K streams or 4K videos online without any buffering. So here we'll need to go ahead and open up the quick panel menu, tap on settings. Now next, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find developer option. Developer option can be enabled from About Phone. So go ahead and tap on this. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see network download limit or set network download limit. So here, network download rate limit. So here you can configure the network bandwidth ingress rate limit that apply to all the network that provides internet connectivity. Tap on this, but your by default will be 256, but you want to go ahead and choose no limit. So now when you go ahead and choose no limit, you have no more buffering when you're watching 4K YouTube videos or streaming movies from Netflix or Disney. So your internet can now work at full speed without any artificial slowdowns. So there you go guys, that is how to watch 4K stream videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra without any buffering.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.